Can you solve this word mass problem in less than 5 seconds? Let's try because many people fail to solve. Why? They solve it like this: 12 minus 12 as 0 and 12 minus 12 as 0 and 0 times 0 as 0 in 5 seconds. And they are reached at wrong answer. Yes, it's a wrong answer. Because when an expression like this, you have given multiple operations, subtraction, multiplication, and subtraction, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as Wortmass or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first you have to solve the bracket if given, then off, then division, multiplication both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction, but you have to always solve from left to right. Now we have two signs, that is subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication first. So it becomes 12 times 12 is 144 minus 12. Now 12 minus 144 is 132 with negative sign, and minus 12 minus minus is plus 144. So what is the correct answer? Negative 144, not 0. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.